birthday, boy. What's up? What's up, oh boy? Yeah. Check it out, man. Big 2-1, man. What's goody, my boy? Yeah, what's up? Hey, how am I to be your cameraman?
Yeah, what's up? You already know the vibes. You see what we on.
I'll apply to be your cameraman.
Big vlogger.
When you blow,
I'm a big vlogger.
It's rare, bro.
I be vlogging all day.
You wanna be the cameraman? You gotta be the cameraman. We gotta do some paperwork, man. What's up,
We about to drop a banger video.
You can't give him a job because you get unemployment.
I don't even want to get paid. I just need the camera. What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Corey Wright, and I drive a 2015 Civic SI. It's my boy Jalen's birthday, so we're going to celebrate at a little seafood spot. You know, I gotta fix something like suspension related on my car. I want to be precautious. You know, I don't want anything to happen. You feel me? I don't want anything to be broken. I don't even know about it. We got here. Let go. Got a nice Corolla rolling through. Not gonna lie, that boy Lil TJ just dropped some heat, man. Bumping to most of the songs on that. You know me, I'm from New York. I got a rap New York. Straight heat. I wasn't even recording the whole time. Trying not to mess up the J's, but
It's too late, bro. You're not about to go do car work. It's gonna crease up.
nah, bro. I'm the only nigga that can work on a car and keep his fit clean, bro. Stop playing with me. Today I checked my Instagram post and Honda actually commented under it asking if they could use my car as like a model car on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I think it's because my car is like kind of stock looking, kind of. I don't even know post it was. They took the picture. Oh yeah, this one right here. So that's actually dope. Go ahead and like that. But yeah, that's dope. If you don't, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at CoreyFG4 for all the build updates, everything on YouTube. You'll catch sneak peeks on there too, so go ahead and follow that. What I'm gonna do here is just I'm gonna release the end link, this bolt right here, and this should be able to drop straight out. I hate nuts like this. 14 and the Allen key. Come on, bro. I can't find the hole inside the hole for the Allen key. Oh, wow. Wow. Wow, that one hurt. That one did hurt. Bruh. Oh! Bro! If you want to see more of this, I did do a whole video on how to install D2 coilovers. Go check that out. Action. This one's a 14 bow, just like that, you feel me? Ooh. Finally got it out. It didn't take that long. It took like 5 to 10 minutes. I don't know what this is right here. I don't even live in the north, bro. That's not salt. Can't be. I don't know what it is. The camera just died, but I took the strut out, made the strut shorter.
Send it.
Send it, brother. Another cut. That's cool.
I'll look at it. Perfect.
Yeah. See, my fit's still clean though. My fit's still clean.
Wait, you wearing black pants and a camo shirt?
White shoes. I did the 14. That's right here. Now I'm in the trunk. I believe it's a 14 too. The Allen key pass-through socket.
And about dirty as hell.
Ooh. It's a man that works on his own car, man.
Fine.
I got it.
Yes. God, I tightened it with just my hands.
Yeah, so we just ended up finishing lowering the car, or adjusting the suspension, and this is the new height. I think I'm gonna readjust it tomorrow. I don't really like how high the back is. I can get my fingers under there, so I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the height tomorrow, but for now, I think it's good. Y'all think I should just keep it like this? It's really not that high.
thinking about how to take charge of my life. Time was just passing instead of advice. It was blunt after blunt after blunt in the sight.
I'm gonna go drive it around the block, make sure there's no squeaking, make sure I fixed everything that I need to fix. But other than that, that's the end of the video for today. If you like the video, please
Subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, smash the like button.
Like a madman's teeth, let the inner beast out the confines. Hey, I'm not like the rest of them, not in your control, leave it to God, don't ever stress on them. Always count your blessings, they gon' hate cause they got less on them. Evil all inside them, I know like I just dissected them. Music got them lessons because life be always testing them. They take it for granted, now I'm working like a Mexican.